Hi students, in last video we have seen Venn diagram, subset, a universal set, complement of a set, and I have asked you to solve the practice set 1.3. Hope you have completed the practice set 1.3, which was an homework for you. You have to complete all the homework time to time. Now today we will start with the operations on sets. In that, first we will see intersection of two sets. Suppose A and B are two sets. The set of all common elements of A and B is called the intersection of set A and B, and it is denoted as A union B. This is an inverted U, as we are writing U in such a way, it is just inverted U, and it is to be read as A intersection B. Some examples are given here, just go to them and see what the meaning of intersection is. After that, we will see disjoint sets. Let A is 1, 3, 5, 9 and set B is 2, 4, 8. Confirm that not a single element is common in a set A and B. 1, 3, 5, 9 and 2, 4, 8. No any element is common in between these two. Such type of sets, these sets are completely different from each other. So set A and set B are disjoint sets. Observe this Venn diagram also. And after that we will go to the next part, that is union of two sets. Let A and B be two given sets. Then the set of all elements of set A and B is called the union of two sets, and it is written as A union B and is read as A union B. This symbol is U, as if it is U. Previously we have used as inverted U. A union B is a set of X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. An example is given that set A, in that elements are -3, -5, -1 and this 0. In set B, 0, 3 and 5. Now union A union B is equal to -3, -5, 0, -1, 3, 5. All the elements which are present in set A as well as in B are to be taken in this set. And note that A union B is equal to B union A. Some several examples are given. You just go through that. Properties of the sets are also given. You may write in the notebook. Now number of elements in a set. Let set A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 is a given set with 5 elements. Number of elements in set A is denoted as NA. Number of elements in set A, that is NA. Therefore here we will see how many elements are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So number of elements in set A is 5. Now see another example. Set B, 6, 12, 18, 24, 36, 36. 30 and 36. In this, let us count the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of elements in set B is 6. So number of elements in union and intersection of sets. Now let us consider the set A and set B as given above. Here set A and set B are there. We will consider the same set. Number of elements in set A plus number of elements in set B. We have seen number of elements in set A is 5 and number of element in set B is 6. So 5 plus 6 will become 11. Now A union B, that is number, what we have to do in union, we have to take all the elements in A as well as B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it will become number of elements in A union B is 9. To find A intersection B means to find common elements of set A and set B. A union B. In these two sets, set A and set B, the common elements we have to take in intersection means to take the common element. Here 6 and 12 are the common elements. So number of elements in A union A intersection B is 2. Number of elements in A intersection B is 2. Name this equation as 3. In number of elements A and number of elements in B, elements in A intersection B are counted twice. Therefore, number of elements A plus number of elements B minus number of elements A intersection B is equal to 5 plus 6 minus 2 is equal to 9, and number of elements in A union B is 9. From equations 1, 2, 3, we can write it as follows. Number of elements in A union B is equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. Now for that, one activity is given to verify the same rule. To verify the rule from the given Venn diagram. Here set A is given, set B is given. You just write number of elements in set A. Now here number of elements in set A are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And number of elements in set B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write it here. Find out A union B, A intersection B, whether it is satisfying this rule or not. Now next time we will go to the word problems based on the sets. Before that, just write it down, this number of elements in set in your notebook.